Don't drink swamp water. So here we are in the chicken kitchen. Today's DIY project is a laser microscope. How cool is that? You just need a few things. You just need like a syringe. You need some swamp water or some, a lake water or ocean water. Anything like that will do, as long as it's, not sterile water. Doesn't work with tap water. Doesn't work with sterile water. And you just need a laser pointer, syringe, drop of water, white wall to shine it all on, and you've got a microscope. Easy peasy. And here's how we're going to do it. First thing, we just need a little tiny laser. Just a little bitty laser. Nothing special. And the reason I got this is it has a little on-off switch. I can turn it on and leave it and it stays on. Now I have a nice laser pointer, but the problem is I push the button in, I have to keep the button pressed in for it to work. And this is a very fidgetirious. You got to get it lined up just right. So this is a kind of where you have to that's not going to work. So you want something that turns on and stays on. Next thing you need is the syringe. Here's a syringe. And you can see you want a little drop of water to be hanging out of the syringe. And we're going to shoot the laser beam through this little drop of water. And you're going to be kind of freaked out at how much stuff's swimming around in just this little tiny drop. Well, there's a problem. The water sample I was getting out of the tap at home in near Bakersfield, California was pretty much, of course, thank God, devoid of any living organisms. Well, I didn't think of that earlier. Oh, look, water. Let's put it in it. No, there's nothing there. So then I went to Kern River. Kern River apparently was also pretty much devoid of small organisms, most because I think a lot of chemical contamination from all the oil drilling and gas extraction, all that kind of crap going through there. So now we're back at my favorite Kern National Wildlife Refuge. And so we're going to get some of this water. The ducks are here, the geese are here, the egrets are here, the herons are here, and there's just, so hopefully, and all the other, the crawdads, there's some big crawdads I've seen here, and the snakes and everything else. So hopefully we'll see if we can get some biologically active water, at least something in there. Wish me luck. So we just need a liter. That's all we need. So we'll go over here where there's been plenty of bird activity and plant life and algae. So I'll try to get over here, get some water without getting my shoes soaked. Oh yeah. It looks like a good sample. Definitely got some algae in there. Some twigs. All right. I think we are good to go. All right, so we got the water sample, and now we're heading back to the chicken kitchen. Yeah! So the first thing we're going to talk about once we got the swamp water is we're going to talk about safety. And I know I am a wet dish rag on this. These are laser safety glasses. You need these. Under no circumstances, even if you've got laser safety glasses on, do you ever aim a laser in your eye. You don't. You just don't. What this does, it helps alleviate any kind of stray diffraction, lased light, that may get into your eyes. Because you are dealing with very intense light. Even though you've got these little handheld lasers, they're still very dangerous. Always wear your safety glasses. I'm a wet rag. You're going to wear safety glasses. I'm sorry, just safety glasses. The setup we have here, we have the laser, aimed at a drop of water hanging from the bottom of a syringe. And so here you can see the laser portion, a little small laser, aimed at the very tiny little droplet hanging out of the bottom of the syringe. And the water from the syringe came from our lake water. You can see the thing swimming around. There'll be algae, bugs, nematodes, and all sorts of things on it. And so then we aim it at a white surface, and we turn the lights out, we get this. You can see all sorts of little life forms swimming around in the water droplet. And this water came from the marsh I just showed you earlier. And so the principle that this works on is the little droplet of water that you see here. The little droplet of water acts like a lens. It is a sphere. So what happens is the laser light goes through the water. It hits the water diffuses the laser light, and the shape of the water acts like a lens. And it expands, it opens up the laser light to let you see what is between the laser light and the opposite side of the water. And that's what produces all of the little animals that you're seeing in the water. But it's a great little learning, do-it-yourself, quick setup, little experiment. How to make a laser microscope with just a drop of water. It's great for kids. They learn about microscopes. They learn about optics. They learn about lasers. They learn about laser diffusion. And I think the most important lesson they can learn is don't drink the lake water. Mind your parents. Listen to your mom. And this is how you make a microscope out of a laser. So that's it here from the Chicken Kitchen. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like what I'm doing on the channel, please subscribe. If you got any questions, just drop those in the comments below. And until next time, I'll be your lab partner. Take care. Bye-bye. There's so many chickens. Be serious. Don't look at the chickens. There's so many chickens.